Hello everyone! Today we're going to draw Pikachu that uses Lightning Blast. First, you can draw two circles and lines for the legs and arms and the ears. And you can draw on top of them. I'm almost done, right? I'm almost done with the draft here. I'm going to elaborate it. I drew Pikachu a little smaller because, I have to draw this lightning coming out of his body. So I drew it a little smaller. And I didn't make it fit the entire canvas. And right now it doesn't look exactly the same. Of course, it's a draft, but it'll get more similar. Okay, I'm coloring the cheeks, the tip of the ears, erasing some strokes I did in the draft as I draw on top, making more confident lines. And as I do that, I'm erasing the previous lines. Okay, you can do this on pencil and paper, not using any of the program functions. So all you need is a pencil, paper, an A4, and an eraser. And you have to do lots of erasing. But I think using actual paper and pencil might be easier. And I'm fixing the eye. Okay, I'm cleaning up the draft strokes. And you can see the very angular tail. And I'm shadowing in. See how I put a little strokes in the shadow part, and then I smudged it. You can smudge by using an eraser or paper and try to rub it against it until you don't see the strokes anymore. Now I'm drawing the lightning blast Pikachu skill that's coming out. With this addition, the picture looks way more energetic and vibrant. Okay, we're almost done with the lightning coming out of Pikachu's body for the lightning blast. And I'm going to draw the round lightning that covers Pikachu. Okay, that's almost it. If you want to watch more videos, stay tuned, and thank you for watching.